Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. We will be heading into Walmart today and we are doing a haul that's going to be a total free haul. Everything in this haul was pretty much going to be a money maker of about $3. So we really didn't pay for anything on this haul. We will be using coupons, rebate apps like IBOTTA, Fetch, Shopkicks, and coupons.com app as well. If you're not part of any of those apps, please look in the description box for my referral code. I would love to have you, and you get a kickback and I get a kickback as well when you sign up using my referral code. Also, if you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed, go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and click that notification bell so you know when all of my deals are coming up. There's also a printable breakdown in the description box that you can either print off to take in the store with you, or you can pull it up on your device in the store. That way you don't have to write any of these deals down. I would love to have you on my Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook group. All of it is called Praising and Saving, all the same wording. Please join me there so you can see some of the visual breakdowns that I post on a daily basis. Let's go ahead and get started with the ultimate moneymaker haul in this video. All right, we're starting off our deals with an insane moneymaker on these Glade double warmers. This is a glitch on IBOTTA, so this is double attaching to two of the IBOTTA offers. So these Glade warmers are $3.48. There is a $2.50 coupon on the coupons app, so you can scan that and check it, but that's $2.50 coming off. It's going to make these 98 cents, and then we're going to submit to IBOTTA for two of those rebates. One of the rebates is for $1.75 and the other rebate is for $2.50. That's a total of $4.25 in IBOTTA rebates. Now, this can be done up to 3 times, but you need to go ahead and get to your store and do it as soon as possible because this expires by tomorrow. So this is going to be a moneymaker of $3.27 per one of these. So if you don't have that $2.50 coupon on the coupons.com app, then it's still going to be a moneymaker, but it just won't be as much. But yeah, a moneymaker of $3.27 on these Glade double warmers. This is such a great deal on the Dollar Shave Club Shave Gel. These are $5.97 each. We're going to be getting these for about 21 cents each using coupons and Shopkick. If you are not signed up for Shopkick already, please look at my description box for the referral code for Shopkick. You get a kickback and I get a kickback as well. Shopkick is super easy to use. So the Dollar Shave Club Shave Gel is $5.97. We have this $3.50 coupon on any one Dollar Shave Club product. Can be used on anything. It's going to make this, my math, after the $3.50 coupon, $2.47. With scans and kicks on Shopkicks, it's equivalent to $2.26 in scans and kicks, making these just 21 cents each. All right, we have a really great deal on this Swab dry deodorant. These are $5.18, or on the very bottom. We have 3 things that we're going to be doing with this deal. So we have a coupon, we have IBOTTA, and we also have Shopkicks. Now the IBOTTA runs out soon, so get in the store as fast as you can. So this Swab dry deodorant is $5.18. We have this 50-cent coupon right there, and if you don't have this, a Unilever coupon. If you don't have that, go to the Unilever website. Oftentimes you're able to get those on the website. After using that 50-cent coupon, your total is going to drop to $4.68. Then IBOTTA has a $1.75 back, and you can do that to 5 times if you want. I'm not going to do. I'm just going to pick up one. And then on Shopkicks, there are 610 skins and kicks, which is equivalent to $2.44. Your total after your coupon, your IBOTTA, and your Shopkicks is going to be 49 cents. So really great deal on these, considering they're $5.18 going all the way down to 49 cents. So the next deal isn't so bad, but remember, we're using some of those Glade warmers that we got, and I actually picked up 3 of them, and because we had overage, it pays for the other items that we're getting here, such as these Poise Daily Liners. So these are $5.46 each. This is a no paper coupons needed deal. There's a $2 digital coupon on the coupons.com app. Make sure you scan this. I did have some problems with this in the store. I had to scan the right ones. The one I did pick up wasn't right. After we scan that with that coupons.com, it's going to bring our total to $3.46. Then IBOTTA has a $2 rebate, and I believe this can be done up to 5 times if you wanted to. I'm not going to do that because coupons.com only allows you to do it 1 time. It's going to make each pack of pads just $1.46 each. Not a bad deal, but a lot better than over $5 for these pads. So the next deal I didn't film in the store. There was just too many people, but we've gotten this Chobani Coffee cold brew in the past. It's right now it's $4.48. I've seen it as high as like $5.78. And before with IBOTTA, we've gotten this where it was 50% off. So we tried it, and my husband likes it now. So we're gonna get this Chobani cold brew just for $2.48. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick one up and you'll submit to IBOTTA for $1, and that can be done up to 5 times. And then you'll head on over to checkout 51. You'll submit to checkout 51 for $1 as well. The only problem with checkout 51 is this can only be done 1 time. So you can't pick up 5, submit to IBOTTA and checkout 51 and get 5 rebates back on both. But if this is something that you do use in your house, this is a go ahead and stock up on this. Get this if you need it. It's hot outside, and a lot of people are not drinking hot coffee right now. So pretty good deal, $2.48 for this Chobani cold brew coffee. So this Tropicana Caribbean Sunset Juice is super yummy. I'm really loving it. These are $2.28 each. We have an IBOTTA rebate for 50% off, which is going to give us a refund of $1.14. This can be done only 1 time, and this is going to be just on those select juices. They're not going to be on the orange juices, but it's the pineapple mango, the Caribbean Sunset Island Punch, the peachy pineapple pina colada watermelon breeze, and the strawberry peach paradise. So just make sure you scan it in the store to make sure you're getting the right one to get this 50% off. The next deal is the Skittles sharing size. Now, I got the large bag, and this large bag is the $2.98 bag. But you could get the smaller share size bag, and those smaller bags are going to be like kind of size of the individual bag, but at the top it says sharing size. This reminds me of like the king size candy bar sizes. You can get that, and this will be a Moneymaker, but I just went ahead and got the larger bag because I think all of my kiddos in my house would like this better than getting the smaller bag. So these are $2.98 each. We're going to submit to Shopkicks for 560 scans and kicks, which is equivalent to $2.26, making our total for these just 72 cents each. And like I said, if you do get the smaller bag, it will be a money maker, but I didn't do the math on that. But yeah, 72 cents for this large sharing bag is a pretty great deal on the Skittles. Alright guys, if you made it to the end of this video, please leave in the comments the item that you're going to try to pick up this week from Walmart. I'm loving most of these items, but I think my favorite thing was the juice because that juice is really good. Make sure you guys either print off the printable breakdown in the description box or just pull it up on your phone in the store so you're not writing any of this stuff down. We will be headed into Publix on Wednesday. I haven't gone past 2 weeks. I was on vacation, so I will be going into Publix. So be looking out for that Publix haul video on Wednesday. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks.